It's a little citrusy. You alright? What's wrong with you? Come on, man, here. What's wrong with you? You ain't brush your teeth today?
The f is that? That ain't squirt. You drank that shit.
Tasha, that's your breath or something.
Surprise, motherfucker.
What's up, gang gang? What's up, gang gang? It's your boy Brock back with another bang. I ain't playing no games. I ain't playing no games. I'm fit to be replacing my girlfriend's drink with the most disgusting soda in the world. Oh! It is what it is. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Smash the notification bell if you haven't already. Smash the notification bell. Make it go ring, ding, dong. Aye, ring a ding, 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 dong. Smash the notification bell, please, so you get the notifications when we drop new videos, gang, gang. Post notification, gang. Post notification shout outs go to Ashley Mike, Tamia Haywood, Sonia, Lakeisha Peters, and Stephanie Wells. Hey, thank y'all so much for jumping in the comments. We love you guys so much. And if anybody wants to shout out in any of our videos, make sure you hashtag post notification gang down in the comments. And you have your post notification bell turned on, gang, gang. No, look. I got Tasha squirt. Tasha ran in to go, she ran to the ATM right quick, y'all, so we gotta hurry up. Yeah. Love Watty love these little squirts. So she ran to the ATM right quick, y'all, so we gotta hurry up. I poured her squirt in here, so if she wants some squirt, she still got it, y'all. I poured her that little one. I don't drink soda, so I can't do that. But Lil Watty do. All right, gang, I ain't got no damn can opener, but I'm gonna show y'all how the little trick. Watch this. All you need is a lighter, player. Let's get it in. Oh. What the fuck is that? Oh, wait. Gang. Look at that. Shit. Okay. I'm gonna have to tell her I drunk a little bit. All right, squad, it is what it is. As soon as we're about to get back from ATM, we get straight into this thing. This soda stank too. You don't think I farted when she got in the car. Oh! Let's do this.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Act like nothing, gang. Act like nothing. A student, woo! You get all my moolah.
Yes.
You got me some moolah.
I got you, my moolah. You got me singing, got you. I got my moolah.
You know what it is. What's yours is mine. What's mine is mine. Time to get the baby.
I was like, oh my God, I was gonna have to step out of line. I'm glad I got her done. I know it was crowded as up in there. Yes, 2:25.
It's time to go get my baby. So what's good? Huh? Damn, look at that old man. I hope I'll never be like that. Why are you bent over like that?
Oh, hunchback? Yeah, I know. I be trying to straighten my back out. I'm like, I do not want to be hunchback.
Yeah, I need my posture
that
straight.
shit is awful.
I mean, it's cool if it long as it's gonna hurt, but it just look like it hurts.
It looks
painful like a mother. You know what I mean?
It probably don't hurt them no more. It probably hurt to straighten now. Like,
yeah, you're right. Probably feel better like that, huh?
That's why they say you're supposed to sit with your arms back.
That's why they say your woman's supposed to massage your neck and your back for you.
Who has said that?
Me. Some real pimp shit, bro. You ain't massaging my neck and my back. You know what I'm saying? Let me know.
Pimp shit. Oh, pimping in this mother.
Tasha, you know I'm the wrong.
I don't know shit.
Okay.
I know nothing.
I don't know what you heard about me.
But I'm gonna get $1 out of me. Oh, you was on the other part?
I'm a motherfucker. P-I-M-P.
You a
Why you looking at old man like that?
That's what you is, a P-A-I-N.
Big head ass. How you gonna call me my daddy and then you your daddy? How you gonna talk about my daddy when you your own daddy?
I'm my own daddy.
That's what I heard.
Brock, what the you talking about? About it?
That one.
Damn, what happened about
My
your
bad. I was thirsty,
Oh.
bruh. Shit. Calm down. I can't have a little bit. You know I don't drink soda like that, but now I was thirsty. I fucked with skirt though. Tasha, it was. I took 2 swallows. That's 2 swallows to
My
me.
shit warm now.
Tasha, that shit was 2
Damn.
swallows. That shit was 2 swallows for that.
Good for your deep throat having it.
Silly ass.
I ain't never seen the fart empty like that. Oh, somebody did that.
Shit, it's damn near raining. I don't know why nobody had to push.
I'm gonna make sure I drink your shit.
My bad, bro. I owe you one. I'll buy you another one tomorrow. The day after.
I don't know what you heard about me, but I became.
You ain't no deal. Damn, what's wrong with you? Oh, that shit is a little citrusy. A little citrusy. Oh, shit. What's wrong with you? Huh?
Surprise, motherfucker.
It's a little citrusy. You alright? What's wrong with you? Come on, man, here. What's wrong with you? You ain't brush your teeth today?
The f is that? That ain't squirt. Nigga. You drank that shit?
Tasha, that's your breath or something. This
That is not
I
squirt,
just drank
bruh.
this shit. This shit was fire as hell.
That shit.
Tasha,
I'm gonna throw up.
you got halitosis. Don't be blaming it on the skirt.
Oh.
You okay?
Do I look okay?
Huh?
Do I look like I'm okay right now?
Nope.
You
Do I look anything like I'm okay?
No.
Cause I'm not. Oh my
What
god.
happened? Let me see.
You like that shit?
Yeah, that's
Squirt. I ain't had a squirt in a minute, but that shit don't taste like that. That's nasty as fuck.
Tasha, you said you love skirt. I don't understand. What's this shit?
I did. They don't taste the same. They didn't change their recipe. It says 1-866-367-7784 squirtsoda.com. Yeah, we gotta. They need to go back to the real shit.
You put out their whole address and phone number and everything.
What is this?
What's wrong
Brock,
with you? Huh?
you like this nasty ass shit?
That
My
shit
stomach
bomb.
ain't right. My stomach is
Little
doing-
grapefruit, little citrus. What's wrong with it?
My stomach doing
think
some
it's too
shit
much
it ain't
acid?
supposed to do. It's doing some shit it ain't supposed to do.
Too much acid?
I think it's too much ass in it. It tastes like ass. It tastes like motherfucking ass.
It wasn't acid. It was acid. You good?
This tastes like real big squirt juice is what I'm saying. This shit is nasty as fuck.
You think it's real? It's real.
It tastes like, now I'm saying I ain't never tasted no squirt, but motherfucker, if I had to imagine what it tastes like, it'd be this nasty ass shit right here.
They say squirt tastes like little shit, piss, and squirt.
That's exactly what the fuck you like this shit, babe. You a nasty ass. That's why I know
I
you
like your
eat too
squirt,
much
so I
damn
figured-
coochie. Because this is nasty as fuck right here.
That shit was bothering me, man. I don't know. I mean, it didn't make me do all that. I don't know. Maybe you got allergic reaction to it or something.
Hell no.
Maybe you don't like grapefruit like I like grapefruit or something. You just spit all on the window, bro. Damn.
Nigga almost died.
Your shit is. You funny to the mother, bro.
Ugh. I can't believe you drink this nasty ass. The taste won't go. It's just stuck on the tip of my
Drink some more,
tongue.
taste.
I don't like it.
Yeah, drink some more, taste.
Oh, well, no more. Nigga, I don't need to taste it a second
Just make
time.
sure.
My first
You wanna make
opinion is
sure.
right. I ain't never mind. I gotta trust
Tasha,
my
you
first
wanna make
instinct.
sure. You
No,
wanna-
my first instinct always right.
You want to make sure you're right, Tasha. Here.
I don't want no more.
Come on, man. You like the way that shit smell?
My hell, motherfucker. No, you like the way it smell?
No, that shit got old when you was at the ATM so long. That shit probably spoiled by you at the ATM.
Oh!
You was there for a long time. It had to have spoiled because that shit didn't smell like that when I drank it.
What the fuck you did to my shit, bro?
Well, I had to do some shit.
But I had to do some shit because you stutter and shit.
You could.
I know you did some shit. That's your lying
I
motherfucker
didn't even
voice.
stutter on that motherfucker. I stuttered there. I didn't stutter on the first time, motherfucker. What's wrong with you? I ain't lying. I ain't do nothing to
That
it.
high pitched, bro. What you do to it? What is
Tasha,
it?
I ain't do nothing to your
Okay,
shit. Huh?
Drink it. Since you like this so much, drink it. Exactly. That shit is nasty as hell.
I ain't even swallow that motherfucker.
Who
God
told
damn.
him to do that? Squirt did not taste like this at first. I
That shit
swear
got
to God,
moldy, bro.
Squirt used to be bomb as hell.
That's that new shit, bro. We need to start growing our own food and drinking our own shit, because this shit is ridiculous. Squirt done went bad on you that quick. Like, I don't understand how that shit happened like that quick. Man, that make no sense.
Bruh. You did something to my shit, my nigga?
Why would you think I did something to it?
Because I don't trust you. Never have.
I'm just trying to be an honest, good dad going to go pick up my son, bro. I would never do you like that on the way to pick up the son. You smelling like doo-doo and shit by the mouth. I wouldn't do you like that.
It's like, it's making my stomach do this thing I don't like for it to do. I don't like
What,
it.
bubble?
It's like, that shit is nasty as f***. That shit is gross as hell. The devil is a motherfucking lie, Brock. The devil is, taste it.
I can't get past
That
that.
shit
Man,
is
what the hell
gross.
happened
I
to
know,
it?
put it in my face. I don't want to smell. I'm going to throw up on your ass and you going to be mad.
Yeah, I'm going to squirt.
I'm going to throw up on you. I don't want to back up.
I'm going to squirt at you.
Back up.
I'm going to squirt at you. I'm going to squirt at you.
I'm going to squirt something else at your ass.
What you got? What you got? What you got?
Oh!
Give it to me.
No, I'm burping that shit up.
You okay? You want to go get another squirt instead of this one? You think maybe? Oh, god damn. January 3rd, 1979. The this shit say 1979 on the mother.
Lying.
On my mom. Look, bro.
Stomach don't feel right.
But that shit say 1979. Why are you tripping?
Where?
I don't know. That shit crazy.
See.
That shit is crazy.
I knew you did some nasty ass. I
What?
should crack your head down the head with that glass motherfucking bottle. Why is you playing? Why are you playing?
How you
Ew!
Gotcha, bitch. How you gonna say you should crack me in the damn head? What's that? You don't like that?
That's gross.
That's crazy. That is crazy. You actually drunk that right there. I don't know where your skirt went.
Oh! Give me my shit. Give me my shit. That's what my shit is supposed to taste like.
How your skirt get in there?
Crazy ass motherfucker. You are annoying.
So what the hell
You are
is this?
annoying as hell. It's this thing. You already showed me the bottle. I don't want it. I'm good. There you go. A mess again, because you keep trying to put it in.
You gonna throw this thing in? Throw it around the car and shit.
You keep putting it in my face. I
It's
told
running
you
down my
I
lip.
the goddamn shit.
Oh,
You keep putting it in my
no.
face and shit. I told you I didn't want it.
Tasha, this shit stink like a
I
mother.
told you I didn't want it.
Oh, hell no. What's wrong with you?
It do stink. You gonna be one stanky motherfucker.
I didn't throw that shit in your face though, my bro.
It say you got all the fixings. It said you got a little bell pepper, a little tomato, a little basil.
Why is this
basil?
and a turd in that motherfucker? Something.
That shit gross as
Hell
I don't know why they would even make some nasty ass like that. They
Hell
could've kept
no.
that shit.
Bro, come on, man. Why you always gotta
And
spread
that
some
shit
shit on me?
stink.
That's
It
what
stink.
I just said.
I didn't hear you when you said no, I didn't care.
That
What-
shit stink like a motherfucker, man. You going to get the baby? I'm not walking in smelling like, man, come on, man. I smell like straight Earl and doo-doo. What kind of, that was the grossest shit ever here,
Back
man.
up.
That shit is disgusting as my nigga.
I got one sock.
That's
I want to
disgusting
know
as
his old sock. Go ahead and figure you can clean it off with that.
Tasha, you act like the most disgusting soda in the world is bad.
Boy, if you don't get
Here you go. Drink
I'll
it.
smack it out your ass.
Drink
You
it.
gonna throw
Don't
shit
pour
on me?
that on me.
You gonna throw it on me?
Okay, then if,
You gonna throw
who
it on
gonna
me?
go get the baby if you pour it on me, bro? Who gonna go get the baby? End your little video.
You
End
think,
your little shit.
you think we can Uber Eats the baby home?
Ain't nobody Uber picking up my motherfucking baby. I don't trust nobody.
Uber eat
like
him
that.
home. Tell him instead of a food, we just pick the baby for.
End your shit. End your little punk ass. Where's my phone at? You got me all disconfused.
Ah, yeah,
That
yeah.
was dumb as f- Give me my
That
damn
shit
squirt.
stink, bro.
It do stink real bad.
Oh my God, I need to take a shower right now, bro. This is gross. All right, squad. Most disgusting soda in the world on Lil Watty. Look at her face.
Annoying.
Team Brock, we up one.